How to log in to MEXC. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can sign in or log into your MEXC account using the MEXC application on your smartphone. First of all, launch open the MEXC application on your smartphone and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of MEXC, go ahead and click on the human icon at the top left corner. Now, at the top, look for the login button and tap on it. In the login area, you'll need to type in your email or phone number associated with your MEXC account and tap next. If you have enabled passkey, you can easily log in with the help of the passkey. If not, you'll need to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your password correct in the text box. If you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow through the reset process. After typing down your password and clicking on Login, on the next page you'll need to go ahead and enter the 6-digit verification code sent to you via email. Go open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from MEXC where you'll see your verification code. Copy the code and paste it inside the MEXC text boxes and you'll be able to log into your MEXC account right away. So that is how you can easily access your existing MEXC account in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.